Thank you very much. Okay. Your Excellency Samia Suluhu, President of the United Republic of Rwanda, of Tanzania. Your Excellency Felix Tshisekedi, representing President of Uganda, of Congo.
It's okay. Tshisekedi, President of DRC.
Yeah.
Tshisekedi, President of DRC.
Yeah. Distinguished guests, the steps I have just mentioned above were affected by the challenges of peace implementation in my country. I sincerely appreciate the East African Community heads of state for waiving the arrears accrued to South Sudan during the 22nd Ordinary Summit. From now onwards, South Sudan commits to remit its required annual contribution on timely basis. Thank you very much for your attention. And I want to thank the President of Tanzania for hosting us. We have been comfortably hosted, and we are happy